I'm gonna go ahead and get dinner started. I have a bunch of jalapenos that I got from a farm close by here. And whenever I have this many jalapenos, I have to make jalapeno poppers. I do jalapeno poppers super simple, and it's because I like simple things that are easy and because I don't think it needs a whole lot more than these 4 ingredients. You can get super fancy with mixing in sausage or different spices and stuff, but I'm telling you, this really tastes good just the way it is. So I'm just gonna stuff each half of the jalapeno with cream cheese, sprinkle just a little bit of Creole seasoning on there just to give a little flavor. You don't even need this if you just do the cream cheese and bacon, it still tastes good. But this just gives extra flavor. I don't wanna use too much because I don't wanna make them any more spicy than they already are. Then I'm gonna wrap them in bacon and cook them in my poor air fryer. The handle is broken. A child dropped it and it's very sad, but it still functions. I just sprinkled these with a tiny sprinkle of the Creole seasoning. And now I am going to slice my bacon in half the long way. Since these are pretty small jalapenos, sometimes you can get like giant ones. But then since they're pretty small, I'm gonna slice this long ways and just use 1/2 of a slice to wrap each one. I ended up with 32 jalapeno poppers, which means I had 16 jalapenos that I cut in half. And that took about 3/4 of a cup of cream cheese and then 1 pound exactly of bacon. I was able to stretch it to make it work just perfectly. I'm gonna layer these in here and I'll probably have to do 2, maybe 3 batches, I'll have to see. And I'm going to cook them at 400 degrees for 10 minutes and then I'll check them and see how they look. 10 minutes. You might be wondering, and no, the kids will not eat the jalapeno poppers. Maybe Levi would try some. He doesn't mind spicy stuff too much, but the girls will definitely not try any. I have several leftovers in the fridge, so that's what they're gonna eat. I have, here I'll show you. I have a bunch of baked oatmeal here that they'll probably munch on for dinner, and I love using up egg yolks when I make baked oatmeal for the kids. In this 9x13 pan that I made of baked oatmeal, I put in, I think it was like 1.5 dozen egg yolks. So it's super high protein baked oatmeal and they're getting all those nutrients from the egg yolks, and I love that. I love it when I can hide them in something delicious for them. They also do a lot of their own cooking. They love to cook, and so they make air fryer French fries, and they make their own homemade granola, and sometimes they'll cook up burger patties. And so I don't cook a huge meal for the whole family every night. Sometimes I do, and when I do, I make extra, like for leftovers. So oftentimes I'll make something just for me and my husband, and then the kids kind of fend for themselves a little bit, and it works out well. Good job, Ho. Look at that. Yum. I wish you guys could smell this because it's so yummy. I am hungry. I'm gonna sit down and eat this. I added one of my egg white buns just to add some extra protein because this is very, very high fat. And I just want to up my protein a little bit. Makes me feel fuller. And I am going to thoroughly enjoy this snacky dinner. Renee said she wanted to try one. I'm so excited. Those are some interesting facial expressions.
I don't like it.
You don't like it. Why not?
This pepper thingy and the sour cream, I don't like it.
The cream cheese?
Yeah.
You think it's like too soft?
Yeah.
It is kind of soft, but that's
You
what
want the
that's
rest?
what. Yeah, I'll eat it. But that's what I like with the crispy bacon.
Oh.
All right, so how many thumbs do you give it?
One.
Because it had bacon on it. I mean, you have to give it at least one thumb if it has bacon in it.
Yeah, and is there any plain bacon?
No, I only put the bacon on the jalapenos.
Can we make some plain bacon?
Yeah. Did you want to try some?
Yep.
How about this one?
Okay. What is this?
Oh, that's bacon.
Oh.
You just ate a piece of bacon, man. Now you got to eat the other part.
What is this?
It's pepper and cream cheese. Don't just eat the bacon off. You got to eat the pepper too. Take a big bite. There you go.
Down there? Mom, do what this best.
You what?
I don't like this best.
This best?
No, this.
The pepper?
Yep.
You don't like it?
Yeah.
Why not?
I like vegan.
You just like the bacon part?
Yeah.
I see.
I want more this.
Oh, that's the crispy pepper.
Oh.
Do you see the cheese inside?
Yeah.
Eat that. See what you think.
I don't like that.
You don't like it?
Nope.
Okay. Man, I'm failing today.
I don't like this.
You don't like it?
Yeah.
What are you going to do with it?
I don't want it. Put it up there.
Oh.
I don't like this.
You don't like it? Okay,
Yeah.
I'll take it. Thank you. Thank you for trying.